Oh my God. I cannot believe this is how my office works. Oh my God. Just thinking about what the office looked like right now. I can't believe this is how my office works. Look at that color. This is so embarrassing. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm showing you this video, but I have to. I really have to show you what I was working with. But before I go any further, me telling you how embarrassing this place look, let me start by saying hello my friends, hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jixie. Thank you so much for stopping by this week to watch this amazing video. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. My name is Jixie, like I said. And to all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. I'm really glad to have you all in my YouTube family. And what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you the complete makeover, where we start from and where we end at. So I have my special assistant with me today. In the beginning, he's gonna tell you what we're gonna start with in this major renovation.
Hi viewers. Today me and my mom are gonna paint the salon.
You're gonna paint mommy's office and salon?
Yeah, we're gonna paint my mom's office.
Okay. And what color are we using?
We're gonna use white.
White color? All right. Okay. So I'm gonna paint it the same color as the rest of the house, because we have this paint now. We have at least 2 gallons here left, so we just don't want to waste it. We might as well just use it, not put it in, leave it in the garage for it to be wasted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you ready to help?
Yes.
You sure you're gonna help me? Am I paying you, or you just helping me?
I'm helping you.
You're helping me? Awesome! Okay, so we're gonna start painting this wall here and halfway there. Then we'll see if we have enough help to move all these things out of here and take it to the garage so we can start working on this area, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna fix it. What are we gonna do over there? We're building what?
We're painting everywhere.
Everywhere, and then we build cabinets here, right? Yeah. You gonna help me build those cabinets too?
How am I supposed to?
All right, we'll do what you can do right now, and after we'll see how far you can go, right?
Okay.
That's the deal? Yeah. Awesome. So let's start painting. My assistant did a really good job helping me painting this office, the whole 3 sides, 3 walls of the office. He was really good. Seriously, this was his first time painting, and I had to let him go. It was getting dark. It was late, as you can see, so I can finish up the fourth wall of the office. And as you can see, it was late. I did 2 coats on each walls in the office, and this side of the wall I did just 1 coat, and I had to go to bed. It was getting late. We spent the whole day painting this this office. He wanted to do it in 3 days, but I said we have to finish this so I can move on to the next part of the renovation, which is the fun part, me building wall-to-wall cabinets for the first time. Can you imagine? I built my first cabinet from scratch with drawers. I've never built a cabinet with drawers, and I have struggled, cried, danced on that video how I built this that cabinet. If you want to check out how I made these cabinets, I will put the link down below so you can check the videos. I have the full videos on my channel. This is the tall cabinet that I built using. I was tired making drawers. Really, I had to come up with this. Use these IKEA kitchen cabinets that I have in my garage to make this tall drawer, which will house my sewing machine and also with the clothes that I've already finished for clients to pick up, that I can hang them there. So after building all the cabinets, I had to come in the office, just remove the trims on the bottom because I want my cabinets to be flush to the wall to look like a building. So I had to remove the molding on the bottom. That's what I was doing. Now I'm moving in the cabinets after building everything. So my husband helped me bring all the cabinets in the office so we can put them where they're supposed to be. And this is how the cabinets turned out. I'm really in love with this cabinet. The one on the right, that's the one I built completely from scratch. So after building the cabinets, I went to Home Depot. As you can see, I grabbed me a shiplap wall because I wanted a shiplap board. I wanted a shiplap wall on my in my home. I've been wanting that for a long time, so I used the opportunity to put it in my office, and it turned out amazing. It is so beautiful, as you can see. So I added a frame on top to cover the distance between the cabinets and the ceiling, just to make it look like a total built-in. After doing that, I add a frame in between the shiplap on the top on the ceiling and the shiplap on the wall to make it look to cover the gap in between, just to make it look beautiful. So one of the difficulties I have building this frame on the wall, as you all know, which I've shared in my videos building this frame, my walls were not the same height, so it was really a struggle to make this frame look straight, and as you can see, it totally looked amazing. This is by far my favorite build in on my channel and in my home. I really love how this turned out. What you're seeing me doing right now here, I'm trying to put the light fixture that I got from Amazon to put it together so I can change the current light fixture that I have in my office, which is a builder grade. It's not that bright, and I need a really bright light in this office. As you all know, it's my office and also my salon, and I needed a bright light. That was the light we have right there previously in the office. So after that, we move on to the other side of the salon, office, which is the salon side where my clients are going to be sitting to have their hair done. I attach a wallpaper, this beautiful wallpaper on that side of the wall, and also attach some wall mat mirrors, which make this area totally beautiful. It is really amazing and relaxing, and my clients love this area. The transformation of this office was amazing. Just doing this work, this journey, you guys have been with me throughout this journey. It was amazing. I have learned a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes, which I think I will grow by the time I finish making over the whole house, by God's grace. So before I show you how this makeover turned out, let's go back and remind ourselves how this office looked like before. Look at all this chaos, look at all this clutter here. It is crazy. This is what the office looked like before. So I will share with you guys how the office turned out, the total transformation. It is mind-blowing. This is what the office looked like now. Welcome to Jix's office / salon. Welcome. Here it is. Beautiful. To Jix's office. Happy New Year. The office is completely done. The project is done. As you can see, let me welcome you guys in so you can look at the office and see all the transformation that has been done in this office. You can see the DIY wall-to-wall cabinet, the built-in cabinets. If you want to see how these cabinets were built, I have the full video on my channel. You can go watch it out, and you can go watch it on my channel and see how these cabinets were built. Like I said, I promise you guys I will show you how the transformation of this office look like, how I transformed this office, how I renovated this office. I can say the complete makeover. This is what the office is looking like right now. This was the plan I have for this office. And this was part of all the things you're seeing here was part of the budget for this office right now. I have my sitting area where friends, and those are my tools, as you can see, where friends and family can sit to wait for their loved ones when they're getting their hair done. And that wall, as you can see, I just put one poster there, but I have more posters that I'm gonna put up there. I just need to finish up with the frames. I made the frame for that one, and I need to make frames for the other ones down here. They're down there under the when I finish making the frame, I'm gonna hang them up there. But this is the idea I have for this office. As you can see, that is the salon area. Let me turn off this light. It's reflecting a lot. So you see, yep. So that is the salon area. And I got my clients a new chair. As you all can see in the previous videos, I have my old chair that they were using, but I just upgrade them to this new beautiful comfortable chair, and I know they're gonna love it. A lot of cushion, and it's black and gold, my theme color. It is amazing. This is a beautiful chair. My clients are in love with this area here, the salon area, and I'm in love with the wallpaper. Look at that. The office is complete, guys. This is what the office is looking like. This was not part of the project. It was not part of the budget anyway, but after I finish the makeover, I think definitely I need to change that because it's falling apart, as you can see. But this will be done later on. I think that really needs to be changed. And this is what it is. I've already hanged the TV, the light fixtures have been changed. Everything is looking good. I have all my craft stuff over there. My boxes that are holding my craft products and my sewing machines here. I have an area where my clients can hang their coats when they come in. They don't need to put it down anywhere they want. They can put it down on the chair, but we can hang it up there. And I also where I can hang up clothes that have been ready to be picked up by, that are already done to be picked up by my clients. Yeah, so this is what it is. I thank you all for being part of this amazing journey, me renovating this office. It is looking amazing, and I really love the way this office turned out. And I'm glad you guys have been with me throughout this journey. Thank you all so much for being patient with me to bring you all these videos to watch this amazing transformation. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please help me share these videos with your family and friends so they also can be part of this journey with me to watch amazing renovations or project that I have on my channel, something that will inspire them to do DIYs at home. That's the reason I have this channel, just to inspire people to pick up anything, a brush, a hammer, whatever you have at home that you want to change, a wall that you want to transform like this without breaking the bank. You can do this at your home. Just go to Amazon and grab this. I can link the Amazon link on the description box below. Sorry, I'll put the Amazon link on the description box below for you to go check it out. Just like I say, you don't need to break the bank. All you need is just a little patience and get in your craft mood and get it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for being here with me. This is your girl Jixie saying bye till next time.